control in your hands. I want to introduce you to a new Samsung experience that bridges the gap between the desktop and mobile. Over the past few years, we've seen a transition from traditional computers to mobile devices. And yet, some things are just faster and easier when you've got a monitor, mouse, and keyboard, like when you need to edit a presentation. That's why we created Samsung DeX. It's a new productivity tool that lets you power a desktop experience right from your phone. Let me show you how it works with the help of my colleague, John Wong. Hey, John, are you ready to show off how awesome DeX is?
Hey, Suzanne, absolutely. Let's do this. Accessing Samsung DeX is super simple. It's literally plug and play. Or for my busy work life, more like plug and work. And check this out. When Samsung DeX launches, I can use face recognition to unlock my phone to get into my desktop experience. All I do here is click, look at my phone, and I'm in.
You can see John's home screen right there on the monitor. He's got multiple windows open side by side, and all his essential smartphone apps like Messages, Calendar, and Email. We're also working with Microsoft and other partners to optimize many more apps for Samsung DeX. John, why don't we finish up that presentation we were working on and show everyone how simple yet powerful this tool is?
You got it. So I'm just going to pull up the presentation here. And let's edit a couple slides. So this slide looks a little busy. So let's move some content over to the other slide. I can do that by seamlessly selecting the content with my mouse. I can use a convenient keyboard shortcut like Control-X to cut it. Go to the other slide, Control-V to paste it. I can also use a keyboard and mouse to move it to the exact position that I want on the slide. That looks about good. I can also resize this image here so it fits better on the slide. Let's say right there looks good. I can also use a full external keyboard to edit the title. And now I can simply go Control-S to save the presentation. Now that the presentation is done, let me send that back to you, Suzanne. All I do is go to Email, go to your message, hit Reply. I'll navigate to my files where my presentation is. What's really cool is you can see I can drag the presentation and drop it into the email message as an attachment. Send it off, and we're done.
Wow. Amazing. Thanks, John. Keep in mind, everything you just saw was done using the Galaxy S8, thanks to its new powerful and efficient 10-nanometer processor. We've also customized the interface to run Android OS in a desktop experience. And because of Samsung Knox, our defense-grade security solution that's built right into the Galaxy S8, your sensitive data is protected when you use Samsung DeX. At its best, technological innovation gives us the tools to visit and create